Okay, so now grabbing your soft and stable, and it doesn't matter which side you pin your exterior body panel to because they're both the same. And we're just going to grab the exterior body panel and place that interfacing side down onto the soft and stable. And now we're going to pin that in place, smooth it out, and then just pin. Now I like to pin in the direction with my point poking in the direction I'm going to be coming around with my sewing machine, just to make it easy to grab the pin and remove it. Just making sure you're keeping your work nice and taut. Once you have that pinned in place, we need to grab a scissors and cut that out. Just cut all the way around the edge. Okay, so that's one piece done. Now we'll set that aside and repeat for the second body panel. Interfacing side down onto your soft and stable. Smooth it out. And pin in place. Now that we have both pieces cut out, we need to go to the sewing machine and we're going to zigzag, or if you haven't got a zigzag, you can straight stitch all the way around to fasten your soft and stable. So now I'm just going to take off my zipper foot. Put on my regular foot. Turn on my sewing machine. And I'm going to zigzag all the way around, just to fasten the soft and stable and my fabric together. I just chose the stitch that just come on automatically on this. It doesn't have to be a real tight or wide or anything. Just want to get that fastened into place. Go real fast here because it bounces my machine around like anything. This table is not the best as far as sewing machines go, and it does help to sort of hold it up a bit so your fabric flows down towards your soft and stable instead of pulling away from it. So there we have that attached. We need to repeat that for our second piece. Doesn't matter where you start. And there we have our second piece done.